Hi friends, it's Gloria from Golden Bucket Farm. I'm the Jersey Lady One here on YouTube. Have you ever lost a file folder off the side of your computer screen? That happened to me the other day and I was so frantic to find that folder. If you ever have a similar experience, I'm here to show you how to pop that file right back onto your desktop. I will put one of my folders here. Got it off to the side there. I'm not going to put it all the way off, but there you can see. Just imagine that that folder has gone completely bye-bye and you can't see it. And trust me, refreshing will not bring it back. At least it didn't for me. And even shutting down and restarting, no. When I came back, in fact, I had all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 of these icons were gone on the side. So anyway, learn from what happened to me. Here's what to do if you have a Windows operating system like I do. Number 1, right click on your desktop and a menu will come up, and click View. It's the second thing on that menu, and when you do that, another menu will come and you go 1, 2, 3. Those are size of icons. Auto arrange, no. It's the 5th one down. Align icons to grid, and click on that. And there, all your icons, including the lost ones, should pop right back into neat rows on your desktop. Yay! Here's the one that I stuck off there. Okay, and so if all of these were hidden, all the ones down here on this side were gone, they would come right back. Okay, now that has rearranged everything on your screen. So in order to put them back where they belong, you need to right click on your desktop again, View, and then out of the second menu that comes up, this time you're going to unclick the Align your icons to the grid, and now you're able to move your icons wherever you want them. Okay, you can put them back how you had them before. You'll have to do that. Okay, so I'll have to do the ones over here on the other side. Get those lined up correctly again. But I hope this helps if your desktop icons have gone walkabout, or if they ever do, and disappear off your screen. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and happy computing!